Alyssa Gall, and today I'm going to share with you my career. Throughout my speech, I'm going to show you why I chose the career I did, what I needed to know before I chose the career, and how I'm going to achieve my goal. Before I begin, I wanted to show you a scale. Veterinary technician on one side, veterinarian on the other. Right now, I'm going to school to be a veterinary technician, but I'm not going to stop there for these very reasons. Veterinarians make $39.94 an hour, where veterinary technicians only make $14.88. Even though veterinarians work twice the amount of hours as veterinary technicians, the pay is well worth it. Another thing I wanted to make very clear was that veterinarians treat, diagnose, and control diseases, where veterinary technicians only do what they're told by the veterinarians. Veterinary technicians also require supervision. Now I'm going to go through why I chose this career. But first I'm going to explain these pictures. Each of these pictures I took. This one in particular is going to be important in the next slide. First off, when I was 6 years old, I knew I wanted to be a veterinarian. From geckos to dogs to iguanas to kittens, I loved every animal no matter the shape, size, or color. One situation in particular made up my mind. A year prior before this, I took in a stray cat. She had 3 kittens, and one of those kittens wasn't doing very well. I did everything I could to help this little guy. I wrapped him in warm towels, and I bottle fed him. But he still wasn't doing very well, so I took him to the vet, and they told me the same thing. The only difference was they gave me a warm IV bag to keep his temperature up, but the little guy just wasn't pulling through. So as you can see, I guess you could say I kind of knew already that I wanted to be a veterinarian, and a career should be a passion, not a job. And studying veterinary medicine is my passion. Another reason is that I have a perfect personality for this. My personality type is INTJ, which means introverted, intuition, thinking, and judgment. Another thing is my multiple intelligences. Musical, logical, and interpersonal. Musical may not play a big part in my career, but interpersonal and logical will definitely help. Now we're going to talk about what I needed to know. First, I need undergraduate school. I then need to move on to get my bachelor's degree in science. And then I have to go through a 4-year Doctor of Veterinary program. And then after that, I'm going to have to take a 360-question, 7-hour test called the North American Veterinary Licensing Exam. Another thing I needed to look at was my job outlook. Between 2010 and 2020, the jobs for veterinarians are supposed to increase by 36%. I got this information from the Bureau of Labor Statistics. And this is how I'm going to succeed. I'm going to continue at Valencia for my remaining 22 credit hours. This is going to cost me about $2,200. I'm then going to be transferred to St. Petersburg University for my associate's degree. This is going to total 73 credit hours, which is going to cost me about $7,900. I'm then going to continue for my bachelor's degree at St. Petersburg. This is going to be 121 credit hours, and it's going to cost me about $13,300. Once I'm done with that, I can go to Gainesville and attend the UF's program of degree in veterinary medicine. This is a 4-year program, and each year is going to cost approximately $28,100, which is going to total $112,400. So now you know why I chose the career I did, what I needed to know before I even thought about choosing this career, and how I'm going to achieve my goal. This is going to take a lot of time, a lot of dedication, and a lot of money. This career is not the easiest to achieve. But I'm going to end my presentation with a quote by Max Frisch. This quote is important to me because it is going to take a lot of time. Time does not change us, it just unfolds us. And this is just a review of my credible sources: valenciacollege.edu, stpetersburgcollege.edu, UF's veterinary med website, the Bureau of Labor Statistics, and education portal. And that's the end of my presentation.